Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss, how to allow only specific friends to view your Reels on Facebook. So, let's dive right into this full guide. Step 1. If you haven't already done so, head over to the Play Store on your Android device and search for Facebook in the search bar. Look for the app with a white F on a white background. Tap on it, then tap on Install. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign into your Facebook account. Step 2. After signing in, you'll notice 3 stacked lines in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on those lines to open the menu. Now, tap on the gear icon located next to the search bar. This will take you to the Settings menu. Step 3. Within the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Audience and Visibility section. Step 4. In the Audience and Visibility section, tap on Reels, represented by the video icon. Step 5. Now you'll see an option called Reels Default Audience. Tap on it. Step 6. By default, this option may be set to Friends. To allow only specific friends to view your Reels, tap on Friends Accept. Step 7. You can now select the specific friends you want to share your Reels with. Simply tap on their names to add them to the list. And there you have it. You've successfully set your Reels on Facebook to be viewable only by the specific friends you selected. That concludes our full guide on allowing only specific friends to view your Reels on Facebook. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a